Okay, backyard scrapping here. And right now I'm currently fighting a June bug. But anyway, this is going to be a quick little video on melting some pure silver from 336 grams of knife handles, plated knife handles. Now what I did was took a pair of bolt cutters, cut them up, removed all the lead, and then I put them in AP, just because I've seen a lot of videos on people pretty much trying to show you how to recover the silver from plated items, and I'm going to tell you that doing it with AP is probably not the way to do it, because I used about 3/4 of a gallon of acid and it took about a month to dissolve the knife handles. But anyway, I'll get back with you in just a second as soon as we get this going. Okay, we're ready to get this going. Alright, what I did was I took, like I said, 336 grams of cut up knife handles, and I double refined it. I actually melted everything down once, then I redid it in nitric acid, and I don't know if you can see this very well, but there is what is left out of it. We're going to go ahead and put her in. And we're going to see exactly how much silver we got out of those knife handles. Because I've seen a lot of claims and a lot of whatevers on how much things will yield and they won't yield. So, and granted, depending on what you have and the material you have, it's going to make a difference. But I just wanted to see what I would get out of these, even though it cost me just about a gallon of acid. I want to see if everybody's pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up, melt it down, and we're going to see what we got. A little bit of borax in here. We're going to get out of this. Like I said, I actually double refined this. I took what I got out of the AP after it was filtered off, melded it down into a nice little bead, and then I refined it in nitric acid just to see, because I wanted to make sure I was getting pure silver and how much I was getting. I can already tell by looking at how much powder I got that it definitely wasn't worth the cost of the acid. So probably the best way to do this is like some of the other videos you've seen with the salt water and the reverse electroplating or reverse destruction or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, we're going to see what we get out of this. Okay, there she is. Let's shut this down. Wait for it to glaze over. Uh-oh, we got company. Alrighty. Here we are inside. As you can see by my little note, my camera kicked the bucket on me for a minute. But we are going to weigh the results of our little test. And I don't know where these people are getting all this silver from, but in any case, it maybe I just had really bad or worn handles that just didn't have much left on them. But here is our silver. It looks like 1.11 grams. So I can definitely tell you that doing it the way I did it with the AP is definitely not worth it. Also, the amount of time it took to do it, and just a quick little glance at some stuff I've done using that saltwater method with the stripping. This is off of a few forks and spoons. So I don't know. I know I did all my refining properly because I've checked myself with the ratios and weights, and that little guy right there from 4 knife handles or 5 knife handles, I don't know, it definitely wasn't worth doing. So I think I'm going to stick to doing it this way with the salt water. Just get a bunch of little beads of it, then re-refine it to make sure it's pure silver, and go from there. Thanks for watching.